That's big there. And then I know that your longtime collaborator, Wayne J, you just dropped a new project with him called New Millennium. Before we even get into that, how did you connect with Wayne J? And then why did you guys decide to drop a new project right now?
All right, with Wayne now, I always have to keep it honest. Wayne is the first artist that ever brought me up on a show. So, yeah, I've known Wayne J from he was 7. He's like 17 now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we didn't do music till now. You see how full circle that is? That's kind of crazy. So, yeah, he's same again, Dennis, the Greatest Records. He's my best friend. He's my producer. He's like, if you ask anybody, he's the outside of my girlfriend, he's the only person I'm with, literally. Like I don't really, we're just weird alike. So you know what I mean? Yeah. So he manages Wayne J. So that's that connection right there. Like, you know, he's been there with Wayne J from then till now. So I really don't want to give COVID or this pandemic any kudos, but that's the reason why that New Millennium project happened. Like, I was literally at home, haven't seen my bro in a while, haven't seen Wayne J anybody in a while, and I was like, yo, what's going on? Like, it's COVID, like, what's going on? So I hit up everybody and like, yo, what's going on? Let's link. Start to link more and start to vibe. And then I just got the crazy idea, like, yo, let's make a dancehall. Let's make some dancehall music. They look at me like, you're over there in reggae, bro. Like, what are you doing? Like, you sure you want to do that? And I'm like, no, it's just music, bro. It's just music. Let's just make music.
Yeah.
And I had original already, which fully written, done everything. I was like, yo, you want a piece of this?
Yeah.
And Wayne J don't really like when people give him songs. Like, he's like me, he likes to write. But because him, like, you know, it was a good song, he was like, yo, I'll do it. I was like, so we did the original, heard it, we know we have something. But we're like, let's do one more. And then we did the song Young Boss. So we're like, all right, Delicious Vinyl was asking me for some music, and I'm a really good youth. Like, I'm a team player. So I'm like, yo, instead of me giving you my music, let me also, while building our relationship, let me give Wayne J some energy too, because everybody knows him, but he just needs some new content. So I'm like, yo, I'm gonna do a collab project with him. But let's test it with these 2 songs first, because the people don't like it, it don't make no sense.
Yeah.
So they took Original and Young Boss, we come up with some ideas, and we put them out. And yeah, life kind of changed. Life kind of changed after Original and Young Boss. You know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Because I know you guys put out the remix with Skillibeng.
Yeah, like, that's one of the changes. Like, Skilly love Young Boss. Like, you couldn't even pay him to do it. He would have just done it for free. But like, he'd be disrespected if we tried to pay him, because that was his favorite song. But that just means kudos to Delicious Vinyl and the team and us, because he just kept hearing the song in the streets, because we were pushing that song and pushing it and make sure we got it on the radios. And thanks to Sparks and all these other disc jocks that they just said, yo, this is good music, we're gonna play this regardless, isn't it? So, and he just heard it and he was just like, yo, I love it. And then Dennis again met him somewhere in East Side, like just buying food, approached him. He's like, yo, we rate your thing. And because we rate him, like, me rate Skillibeng a lot.
For sure.
Like, he really remind me of Cartel, isn't it? So in a better way too. So it's like, him see him and say, yo, vibes. And he's like, yo, are you produce Young Boss? And then it's just like, yeah. And he's just like, oh, did I remix there now? I'm singing up. And then the rest is just history. And then those 3 things now gave us enough energy to say, we're going to do a collab project. One hasn't been done in a while, and dancehall hasn't been so clean in a while from a young artist. So we just decided we're gonna do what we do best together, because we both make clean music. We both love dancehall and reggae. So we're just gonna put everything in one go, present it nicely, have some plans and some young entrepreneurial energy behind it, and just see what happens. And yeah, it was nice. It was a nice response. Yeah, it was good.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.